Hello everyone, Peter here from Skating Magic, and in today's video we are gonna demonstrate how to do the mighty power slide. Stopping is one of the most important techniques that you need to learn if you wanna do safe inline skating on any level. So in today's video we are gonna show you the drills that you need to learn before you can perfect the power slide. Welcome. Have you subscribed to this channel yet? If you have not done so yet, you're missing out on a lot. I'm inviting you now to subscribe to this channel. Please subscribe and share with your family and friends so that you can share in the awesomeness of skating magic. So here are the steps required to learn the power slide on inline skate with precision. Step 1. Find a smooth surface and get wheel hardness right. You want to practice the power slide on a flat, smooth surface for better sliding. Definitely avoid spots with cracks, small rocks, potholes, sticks, and other show-stopping obstacles. And we've noticed that harder wheels are somewhat better than softer ones for learning power slides. Wheel hardness enhances sliding while softer wheels grip the surface more. Any wheel with a hardness rating of 85A or harder should be fine, but doesn't mean you can't break with 80A or 78A wheels. It just gets a tad trickier. Step 2. Begin skating forward. Skate forwards comfortably at a moderate speed. You want to build a great deal of confidence before attempting the power slide at higher speeds. And confidence only stems from competence. Step 3. Master backward skating. Good backward inline skating skills are necessary for maintaining control when performing the power slide. If you can't swiftly transition from forward skating to backward skating, you simply can't learn the power slide. Step 4. Transition with confidence. Decide which foot transitions backward and which one does the power slide. Some people transition with the left foot and slide with the same foot. Others transition with the right one and slide with the right foot. And some transition with the right foot while sliding with the left one. The rest transition with the left foot and power slide with the right one. Step 5. Get ready for the trick by positioning your feet correctly. You can jump and turn, or you can place the skates heel to heel before lifting the stamina foot. Once you lift the stamina foot, align it parallel to the one you'll slide with. Step 6. Bend your knees super deeply. Deeply bend your knees and then extend the sliding foot at an angle of about 30 degrees to the ground. You know you have bent your knees deeply enough when you feel the majority of your weight on the stamina foot and your belly touches the thigh of this foot. Step 7. Weight transfer and initiating the power slide. Transfer your weight to the supporting foot as you lift the sliding foot. You want to have like 80% of the weight over the stability foot while only 20% goes over the sliding foot. And when placing the foot on the ground, allow the wheels to lose traction and begin to slide. Failure to bend your knees stands in the way of smooth sliding and is a surefire path to tripping over. Remember to use your arms and core muscles for stability. Also, focus on your intended stopping spot to maintain a controlled slide. Practice with patience. Don't expect instant power slide mastery. Persistent practice is super essential. Continue doing the drills until the technique feels natural. By the way, the drills for power slide include skating backwards with one foot, shifting your weight to the stamina foot, and pushing out the sliding foot without losing balance. 2 mistakes to avoid when learning the power slide on inline skates. 1. Letting the toe wheel make contact with the ground first. Ensure all wheels touch the ground at once to prevent uncontrolled spins. 2. Not bending your knees deeply enough. Bend your knees deeply. Your tummy should touch the thigh of your supporting foot. The only way to conquer the power slide is by learning the correct stopping technique, skating at a comfortable pace, staying in control during the transition and sliding phase, and practicing patiently. Tell me, did you enjoy our video on how to do the power slide? Do you feel that you can start practicing the drills, the little things that you need to know before you can master this powerful stopping technique? If you found our video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe.